All right, so my brother took me somewhere to stop to get lunch, you guys. And I got this big old good looking chicken salad. The chicken salad comes with walnuts and craisins in it. I got some avocado in here, lettuce, spinach, pickles, cucumbers, banana peppers, and Caesar dressing. Ooh, and mozzarella cheese, shredded cheese. I'm gonna eat some and save some for when I get back to the house. But I really want to try this and show you guys this bomb looking salad. This is good. They said it was like they said it used to be a Subway, which I could tell.